There's nothing in the memorandum, no suggestion that the arbitrators appointed by Great Britain or the British lawyers representing Great Britain were party to any of these discussions. In these circumstances, we submit it's simply not open to Venezuela to argue that the alleged but uncorroborated communications between Mr. Mallet-Prevost, one of its own counsel, and the two American arbitrators who they appointed vitiate the validity of the 1899 award. There's no suggestion by Venezuela that Mr. Mallet-Prevost acted contrary to Venezuela's interest or without its authority. Nor is there any suggestion that the American arbitrators acted against Venezuela's interests. On the contrary, the memorandum claims that they acted consistently with Venezuela's wishes and endorsed an award which gave Venezuela the most prized asset of all. What on earth is Venezuela going to say about a supposed document that may or may not have been authored by an individual with a deep allegiance to Venezuela, who spent years advocating for Venezuela's claims to the territory dispute and whose loyal commitment to Venezuela had just been recognized through a prestigious national decoration? What on earth is Venezuela going to say about the identity and motives of the supposed memorandum's supposed author and the circumstances and timing of its supposed creation? And what is Venezuela going to say about 13 years of silence after the supposed memorandum was revealed in the American Journal? Mr. President, Venezuela has opened before us a world of theatre and fiction, not law, not fact. The claim of a secret Anglo-Russian deal is wholly unsupported by any evidence. Claims about Mr. Mallet-Prevost's conversations are demonstrably untrue or wholly uncorroborated. Even if they ever took place, and there's no reliable evidence that they did, they provide no support whatsoever for any contention of nullity. In a nutshell, this document, this supposed document, is a giant red herring. It does not support Venezuela's attack on the validity of the 1899 award. Its only real value, we say, is to confirm that that attack is entirely devoid of any substance whatsoever. Mr. President, distinguished members of the court, Guyana trusts that you will deliver the final word on Venezuela's embrace of a regional principle of magical realism. This is the stuff of a novel. It is not the stuff of a pleading before this court.